Investing in your 60s is a time of transition. No longer are you focused on growing your retirement funds. Now, it's time to crack into that money you've saved. So, you need to change your investment strategy. The idea is to withdraw enough to help you get by while holding enough in reserve to finance the rest of your life. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button, as every week we bring you great videos on how to make money and give you the life you want. Here are pointers for a financially stable retirement. 1. Estimate how long your savings must last. You can't plan effectively without an idea of how long your money should last. Of course, you can't know how long you'll live, so we're talking about estimating the longest you might live, so you won't run out of money too soon. 2. Calculate annual expenses. To plan your finances in retirement, you'll need to know how much you spend. If you have budgeted and tracked your spending, you've got the data you need. If not, it's a good idea to get started now. But a notebook or start a spreadsheet. After tracking for a few months, you'll begin to see where your money's going, and you can then decide how much to withdraw from investments. 3. Fully fund emergency savings. Keeping a cushion of savings in cash or investments that lets you ride out market downturns without selling stocks at low valuations. Some experts advise having enough emergency funds to support yourself for 18 months to 2 years. 4. Plan your withdrawals. Retirees need a system for regular cash withdrawals. For example, one popular system suggests withdrawing 4% of your initial savings balance each year, then adjusting that amount annually for inflation. The 4% rule is not ironclad, but it does provide a framework. The key is to adopt a system, then adjust it as necessary. 5. Seek safety. How much you keep in investments, bonds and high-yield savings accounts depends on how much safety you require. Intelligent risk is necessary with part of your investments if you don't want inflation to erode your portfolio's value. Many retirees follow this rule of thumb. Subtract your age from 100. The resulting number is the percentage of your investments you should hold in stocks. Invest the remaining amount in bonds and money market funds. If you're 70, for example, keep 30% of your portfolio in stocks, including mutual funds, and the remaining 70% in bonds. Some experts disagree with this, so find a fee-only financial planner and discuss a plan that makes sense for you. 6. Don't neglect growth. The other end of the retirement seesaw is the need to grow your nest egg, at least a little. Unless you have so much money that you don't need to worry about inflation, you'll need some growth investments. Usually, that means individual stocks or mutual funds. 7. Keep a lid on spending. Financial discipline is crucial if you don't want to outlive your money. Take an unsentimental look at your spending, decide how much to withdraw annually from savings and investments, and stick to that plan through bad times and good. 8. Get help now and then. When you manage your own money, it's a good idea to pay an expert for an independent review at least occasionally. So, consider hiring a certified financial planner who works on a flat hourly rate to review your retirement plan, income and expenses. 9. Consider other sources of income. Stocks and bonds are not your only investment choices in retirement. Two other possibilities are longevity insurance and annuities. Longevity insurance starts payouts when you reach a specified age. You might pay $50,000 for a policy at 60, and start receiving payouts of $15,000 or more annually at 80, for example. No doubt you've heard of annuities, which are financial contracts sold by insurance companies that promise to pay you regular income. Since there are several annuity types, look carefully before you leap. To finish off this series, we'd like to share with you 15 ideas on how to make money in retirement. We hope that you find them useful. Rent your space. Rent per day, per month, or longer. Rent a grandma. Work with families as a childcare or eldercare provider, tutoring, or personal assistant. Your wisdom is valuable. International house sitting. Travel and stay in people's homes for free. Sell your photos. Make money with your stock of photos. Copywriting. Get paid to write. Sell handmade products online. Create your own virtual boutique and sell your handmade products. Sell custom products online. Put your sassy words on products and sell them online. Freelance tutoring. Teach to international students online. Blogging. Start a blog and write about the things that you are passionate about. Mystery shop. Shop and leave reviews. Sell on eBay. Sell used items and products online. Pet sit. Like house sitting, but with pet care included. Sell your skills online. Use your knowledge to make extra cash. Rent your gadgets. Someone may need something that you have and that you are not using. Become a guide. Love your city? Show people around and get paid for it. That's it for today's video. Please leave a comment below.